Tired of traditional banking holding your business back? Looking for a faster, more efficient way to move money across borders? You're not alone. Businesses worldwide are turning to fintech solutions like Airwallex to streamline their global operations. But is Airwallex the only game in town? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of cross-border payments and explore some of Airwallex's key competitors. Buckle up, because this is about to get interesting. Airwallex has made a name for itself by offering businesses a suite of financial services, including international transfers, currency exchange, and business cards. But the fintech landscape is incredibly competitive. So, who are the players vying for market share? Let's break down some of Airwallex's main rivals. Wise, formerly TransferWise, a global giant in international transfers, Wise boasts a strong reputation for transparency and competitive exchange rates. They've built a user-friendly platform that caters to both individuals and businesses, making them a formidable competitor. Stripe, while primarily known for its online payment processing capabilities, Stripe has expanded its offerings to include international payments and currency management. Their seamless integration with various e-commerce platforms gives them a significant edge. WorldFirst, a specialist in international business payments, WorldFirst offers a range of solutions tailored to specific business needs. They've carved a niche for themselves by focusing on high-volume transactions and providing dedicated account managers. Currency Cloud, this platform focuses on providing businesses with the tools and infrastructure to build their own cross-border payment solutions. Currency Cloud is a popular choice for businesses that require high levels of customization and integration flexibility. But it's not just about features. Choosing the right partner depends on your specific business needs. Consider your transaction volume. High-volume businesses might find specialized platforms like WorldFirst more cost-effective. Evaluate your tech needs. If seamless integration with your existing systems is crucial, Stripe or Currency Cloud could be better options. Prioritize transparency and pricing. Wise and Airwallex are both known for their competitive pricing and clear fee structures. The fintech landscape is constantly evolving. New players are emerging, and existing ones are continuously innovating. This dynamic environment ensures that businesses have access to a wide range of options and competitive pricing. Conduct thorough research, compare features, pricing, customer support, and security measures offered by different providers. Read reviews, see what other businesses have to say about their experiences with different fintech platforms. Consider a free trial. Many platforms offer free trials or limited-time promotions to help you test their services. Choosing the right fintech partner can significantly impact your business's bottom line. By carefully evaluating your needs and exploring the competitive landscape, you can make an informed decision that optimizes your global operations and drives growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.